How to help children with cough. I'm Dr. Carol Keim, board certified pediatrician, and as you probably know, cough medicines are not safe or effective for children less than 6 years old. But one thing that really does help is honey. Now, you can only give honey to children who are over a year of age. In the first year of life, honey has the potential to cause botulism, which is really dangerous and deadly. But after a year of age, children can safely have honey, and you can mix it with warm water or just give them a spoon of honey to swallow, and that's been shown in studies to really help with cough. Under a year of age, you can use agave nectar mixed with a little bit of water and give them that by mouth. It's not as effective as honey, but it can help a little bit with cough. So I hope this helps. Follow me for more tips and tricks for your children.